Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your Wix website on Google in 2024. So today I'm going to show you how to get your Wix website found on Google. We'll cover, of course, some essential SEO tips and steps to help your site rank higher and become more visible to your audience. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use it if you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Just go to wix.com. Log in into your account if you're not logged in yet, or create an account if you don't have an account already. Then you'll have to go just and access the sites that you want to just found this in Google. So, as example, this one, I'll just go and click on edit. Of course, first of all, you'll need to set up the SEO basic in Wix. Of course, if you go here on this left panel, or of course, I can just go here and click on select sites. I'll just open it to a new tab. And of course, like first of all, what you'll need to do is optimize your content. Optimizing your content is very, very important. Make sure to reuse some relevant keywords through your website, especially in your titles and headings. And it will also like meta descriptions. Ensure that your content is very or high quality images, videos, whatever you're using. Make sure your content is high quality, informative, and engaging. And make sure to regularly update your blog. As example, if you have a blog, with fresh content, as this can improve your site visibility on search engines. Then, of course, as we said, we'll need to set up like the SEO ranking or to activate that on Wix. So, example, you can go to this left panel, go to marketing. You have a lot of marketing options. Example, marketing home, where you can simply just, as you can see, for me, I already like connected to SEO, set up checklist. So for you, just go to marketing home, click on SEO, set up like checklist, go and click on that. And basically, whatever has like a problem on it, like this one, just go and edit it. So, example here, they're telling you to set up homepage title for search results. Just finish those steps, these three steps. If you finish it all, and every one of them has this check option, like this one, I will make sure, or just make sure that your website will be found on Google. So for now, as an example, let's just go here and click on publish. I just want to see like the URL of it. So example, this is going to be my URL. I'll just go here and copy it. And if I go, as example, to Google, so let's say I'm looking for my website. So I'll look for Omix Games. Let's see if I find it. So example, Omix Games. Okay, like nothing in here. What can we find? If we even add this example, like the website, etc. So this thing, as example, I'll find nothing. It's not found in Google. So to find this in Google, you will need like the most important part is simply connecting a custom domain. Like this is one of the main important parts. If you don't have a custom domain, if you have just a domain like this, of course it will work if you use it like in here. It will take you to your website. But if you're in Google, if you're in Google and most people look in Google, if you even type it correctly as it is, as you can see, nothing will be found. Nothing. Like no videos, no images, no nothing about it. As you can see, nothing. So if you type it here in the new tab, sure, people will find it. But if they have the exact URL, they look it in Google, they will not find it, no matter what. So the first thing, finish, of course, the steps. As you can see, included in the steps is connecting a custom domain, then even connect it to or to Google Search Console. Basically, how to connect it, they will show you how. So you'll basically have to get listed in Google. Of course, I'll just go here to show you. So Google, just type Google like search, so search console, console in here. Yeah, go to the first option, click on start now, and make sure to enter your URL. Of course, once you have your custom URL, once you enter an example, just say this is mine. They will tell you exactly how or which steps you should do. So I don't think they will accept this, but I'll just go and check as example. Okay, they accept it. Of course, you have some options. You can choose whatever you want. So the recommended is this one. You can use any other option. So just follow the instructions that they tell you here. Example, this is for the file. I'll need to go and download the file and upload it on my website. And this, what it will do, is it will basically just connect it to Google search engine or Google Search Console, which will help me optimize my SEO ranking. If it's optimized, as an example, it will show up on Google search, or it will show more up in Google, like in Google search. And yeah, you'll be good to go. Of course, just one more important part. make sure it's compatible or your website is compatible on the mobile also. If it's compatible in Discord and just desktop, it will have a very, very terrible SEO ranking, which will not show. So keep in mind and make sure it's like compatible with mobile as well, and you should be good to go. As simple as that. So this is gonna be it for me today. Basically, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.